Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheri. Today, we are going to learn how to make a classic American sandwich. It's a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, or PB&J for short. This is a very popular and simple lunch in the United States, especially for kids. But many adults love it too.
I love PB&Js.
Me too.
In fact, the average American child will consume 1,500 PB&J sandwiches before graduating high school. That's a lot of PB&Js. It's so popular, it has its own holiday, National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day on April 2nd. It's delicious, easy, and fast. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's look at what we need. These are our ingredients. The most important thing is bread. You need 2 slices of bread. You can use white bread, wheat bread, or any kind you like. Today, I am using white bread. Next, you need peanut butter. This is a big jar of creamy peanut butter. Some people like crunchy peanut butter, which has small pieces of peanuts in it. It's your choice. Speaking of nuts, it's kind of nuts that peanuts are actually legumes and not nuts, right? And finally, you need jelly. Jelly is made from fruit. This is strawberry jelly, my favorite. You can also use grape jelly, raspberry jelly, or any flavor you enjoy. So, to review, we need 2 slices of bread, peanut butter, and jelly. Easy, right? You will also need a knife. A butter knife is best because it's not sharp. See? Perfect for our sandwich. Okay, let's start making our sandwich. First, take your 2 slices of bread and place them on a plate, like this. Now, open your jar of peanut butter. It smells so good. Did you know that it takes about 540 peanuts to make a 12-ounce jar of peanut butter? And to be labeled peanut butter in the US, it must contain at least 90% peanuts. I wonder what the other 10% is. Take your knife and scoop some peanut butter out of the jar. A scoop is when you use a spoon or knife to get some food. Now, spread the peanut butter on 1 slice of bread. Spread means to move it all around to cover the bread. Try to make it a nice, even layer. Even means it's the same thickness everywhere. There, all done with the peanut butter. Now it's time for the jelly. So we will clean our knife first or use a new one so we don't get peanut butter in the jelly jar. Now open the jelly. Look at that beautiful red color. In the United States, what many people call jelly is actually different from jam. Jelly is made from fruit juice, so it's smooth and clear. Jam is made from crushed fruit, so it has small pieces of fruit inside. Again, take your knife and get a good scoop of jelly. Now, we will spread the jelly on the other slice of bread, the one without peanut butter. Spread it all over, just like we did with the peanut butter. Perfect. Now we have 1 slice of bread with peanut butter and 1 slice of bread with jelly. What do we do next? We put them together. And there you have it, a perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Look at that. Doesn't it look delicious? You can cut it in half into 2 rectangles, or you can cut it diagonally into 2 triangles. I like to cut mine into triangles. So take your knife and cut from one corner to the opposite corner. And there we go, 2 beautiful triangles. Let's try it. It's so good. The salty peanut butter and the sweet jelly are a perfect combination. So let's review the steps one more time. First, get 2 slices of bread. Second, spread peanut butter on 1 slice. Third, spread jelly on the other slice. Fourth, put the 2 slices together. And fifth, if you want, cut the sandwich in half. It's that simple. This is a great, quick meal you can make for lunch or a snack. What do you think? Do you have peanut butter and jelly in your country? What is a simple sandwich that you like to make? Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your comments and learning about food from all over the world. Wow, dosas with coconut chutney sound amazing. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a PB&J sandwich. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy English videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!